Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's time to feed your shrimps. Feed your shrimps a healthy diet and rotate the food. Your wafers, flakes and spinach and other kinds. This is algae wafers, probiotics added. Very healthy for shrimps, very healthy for bottom feeders. Doesn't make your tank cloudy, and it's packed with good, complete, enhancing food. Like, share and subscribe to my channel.